Want to perform deeper and more detailed search using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the deep research features. Open the Google Gemini app on your phone. On the main screen, look for the deep research option. This feature is usually located below Canvas in the Tools section. If you don't see it immediately, tap the Tools or place icon near the message box to open more options. Then select Deep Research. Now type the topic you want to research. For example, explain the analyze of electric cars in the next 10 years. Okay. Gemini will analyze the topic and provide a more detailed and structured answer. Deep research is useful when you want longer explanations, deeper insight, and more organized information. Okay, ready a few minutes. Tap start research if you want to start. Okay, and that's how to use deep research in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.